That might not be one. There he is. Oh, yeah, he's a good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, there he is. Let's see if I can get him on camera. I hope I can get him on camera. Oh, yeah, he's a better one right there. Yeah. I might not keep him today, people. Oh. Yeah, he's a keep, though. He'll keep. How about if I just put him in the live well and I call him later? What is this? These little bitty hooks is so hard to get off. What is that? And then I just shoved it right down his dang throat. What the heck? I'm sorry, people. He is a good 10 inches. Every bit of 10 inches. Yeah, I like to make y'all a video the way it is. Oh no. The way it is, I don't know. I keep getting home. And there he is. Oh no! Oh no! That darn little hook is just, these little hooks right there is just, that little hook just cost me a fish. Thing. It's a good sign. I'm gonna catch some. Yeah. You go through that much trouble to fish, means you gonna catch some. And there he is. Oh, that means every time you come here, you're gonna get one. And look at that. Oh yeah, he's a better one. He down deep. He down deep. He down deep. Yeah, still, you go through that much trouble, you're bound to catch something. I don't know. Could be wrong though. He's all long, skinny. Long and skinny. There was no meat. He ain't girthy. He ain't girthy. Anytime you go through a lot of trouble to catch fish, you know what, people? While I'm thinking on it, I'm gonna go ahead and get them fish out of here because I ain't keeping none today. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, that water's cold. That water's cold. I ain't keeping none today. Oh, I feel like. There he is. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Yep, yep. Okay. Yeah. Let's go back. Let's throw back right back there again. Oh man, come on. They really disappoint me that they didn't put that anti-reverse back on this thing. There he is. And there he is. Get my hands out of there. He's another one. Let's circle back around because I think I done got onto a little mess of them. I gotta keep my fat little sausages out of the way. You know what I mean? Look at it, people. I'm sorry. I got to put my hands in the way. There was two right there. There he is. Hey, I felt the thump on that little bitty thing. I felt the thump on it. Ooh, ooh. He ain't too little. He's actually better than the ones I've been catching, it looks like. Nope, he's little. He's feisty when they little. Feisty when they little, ain't they? Look at that. He hit it hard though. I felt the thump. Go thump. Look for some grass in moving areas. And there he is. Oh yeah, he's a good one. Oh, he's a bass. He's a bass. He's a bass. I catch more bass on these crappie jigs than I do bass lures. And there he is. Oh, he is a good one. Oh yeah, he is a slab right there. Now he is a slab. Oh yeah, he is every bit of a good slab right there. Now right there, that is a slab. Look at that. That's a better one of the day right there. I knew it had to be some biggins up here. Boy, he is. Oh, he's a good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, I love it. That was a good one. Now that was a good one. Now that was finally a good one. That was finally a good one. Whew. I needed that one. I like catching little bitty ones, but wow. And there he is. And there he is. Ooh, man, hey, I done caught a mess. If I was keeping them, I done caught them. Yep. They're not big gunnerable slabs, though. Like I said on them other videos. There he is. There he is. Oh yeah, I love him. Love it. If I can catch fish, I sure can't get them unhooked. All right, we'll circle back around. We're gonna be heading out of here, people. Okay, people, I'm gonna call it a day. I hope I got all the fish on camera. It's been a cold, windy day. I don't got much battery left. I got to head on back around there to the landing. It's getting late. Colder it's getting too. But yeah, we was back out here on Lake Tuscaloosa. Caught a pretty good bit. Using the 1/32 curly tail. The curly tail, I like that curly tail because there's always a little action going on it if you're moving it slow. Moving it fast. All right, we'll see y'all on the next one.